while the glazing factories are producing laminated glass such as SGP laminated glass, EVA laminated glass, PVB laminated glass, TPU laminated glass. There may be some overflowed remains on the edges of laminated glass. Thermal cutter is the best tool to clean the overflowed remains. Thermal cutter is also named as thermal cutter, heating cutter, hot knife, hot cutter, high temp cutter. Thermal cutter is best tool for cleaning edges of SGP laminated glass. The orange thermal cutter is the upgraded model, developed by CNC Glass Interlayer technology. The orange thermal cutter is much lighter for handhold. The orange thermal cutter is heating up faster. The orange thermal cutter is with the air cooling system built in, so it can work continuously. If you are planning to trim SGP remains, we suggest you choose the orange thermal cutter. We receive good feedback of using the orange thermal cutters from our clients. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching. Have a good day.